with the trans hoist conveniently in the cab of the truck to where you don't have to remove the floorboard. All you got to do is take out the shifting tower. The unit will very easily reach to the top of the transmission and lower it to the ground, as you can see in this demo. The unit has its own supply cable. All you got to do is hook it up to the power supply from the vehicle that you're working on. It's a 12 volt, 2,500 pound winch. We got it set up on a double pull, and the way the unit is built, it will easily handle the weight of a truck transmission with no problem. The only thing additional is required is the use of a small come-along, which will pull the transmission away from the rear of the engine. The unit has a bracket that comes with it and will basically connect to any standard truck transmission.